You went faster than 21. What the fuck it's saying? It's stuck. It said it'd pick me up. Cause I'm fucking gone. Would I love the tears I drop to be part of the wave? Can't stop. Ever wonder if it's all for you? The world I love, the chains I hop to be part of the wave. Can't stop. Come and tell me when it's time to. The minute I'm passing out, win or lose, just like you. Far more shocking than anything I ever knew. Right about you. There are more reasons why I need somebody new, just like you. Right on cue. Stick to the shindig. So I thought because you're gonna win big. So is that the life of imitation? It's just the truth of reservation. I want to be your best friend. Eastside love is living on the West End. Stop the build anticipation. So talk, but don't intimidate her. So stop the chops from engineering. There's no need for anti-interfering. Image in a dictionary. So this life is more than ordinary. Can I get two, maybe even three of these? You can put up like this picture for the Pleiades. Stop the chick if I need to. Just life is more than just a read-through. No blinker. Okay, he's gotta be going straight again. Something wrong with the world today. Don't know what it is. Something's wrong with their eyes. Seeing things in a different way. God knows it ain't his. It sure ain't no surprise. Yeah, we're living on the edge. I didn't fucking pass it, did I? Oh, that was Telegraph. I wouldn't recognize this fucking place. What's wrong with the world today? I don't know, it's getting dim. It's meltdown in the sky. You can judge a wise man by the color of his skin. And this day you're a better man than I. We're living on the edge. What the fuck is this lady doing? Why are you being weird? You know, something weird. It's like she's gonna step in front of me like a dumb cunt. Like, I don't have a fucking camera on me. The sky is falling. A good one, man. Nice, man. I can't hear you. Hold on. What's up, man? I was jamming my music. I didn't quite hear you.
Oh, I said, how fast that shit go? That shit nice.
Oh, just 30.
30? Oh, for sure.
So it's,
On the street?
yeah, I don't shit all the time. Speed limit everywhere is 30 miles an hour around here, so it's perfect.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Nice.
I'm gonna get you, Birdie. I'm bigger than you. I'll eat you. That girl was fucking cute. Doing this to me. I'm just living up to what I'm supposed to be. Sacred animosity. You owe me a great big apology. Tell lies. Don't know what you mean. Like the vision is only in my dreams. After Billy be as sad as it seems, tell a lie. Tell a lie. Oh, I guess on the right. What the fuck you doing? Come on. I don't take out that fast. Dude, they're just fucking driving slow. Don't turn away from me. I need you to hold on to. Don't turn away from me. I need you to hold on to. Don't turn away from me. I need you to hold on to. Don't tell it. Don't tell it. Don't tell it. Don't tell it. Don't tell a lie. For me to hide. Purity and lies. Promises, your promises are lies. Tell a lie. What's up, bro? He's like, the fuck is waving at me? He's not an e-bike. Just throw it all away. So I so swept to the lace. It's like that you betrayed. She's faking everything. It's filled with disease. So I say it's fast to believe. My hands and knees. Just much to believe. Why are you fucking breaking? Are you fucking with me? Are you fucking kidding me? What the hell are they doing? Oh, they're just fucking with me. The fuck are you doing, dude? You don't know where you're going? Like, what the hell?